So hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to solve this problem of n queen problem, which is the GFG problem of the day. So basically it's marked hard, but it will be very easy if you understand the approach, like how we are approaching this problem. So let's read the question, and once again the code is like looking very big, but it's not that big. If I explain the problem, then it will be like cakewalk for you to write the code. Just bear with me till the end. Now let's read the problem. What problem trying to say? There is n queens placing n queens in n cross n chessboard. Okay, so such that no two queens attack each other. So given an integer n, you have to find all distinct solutions. Like what are the different ways by which we can put our all n queens on the chessboard so that no two queens attack each other. So let's see with an example. So here we are given different 0, 1, 2, 3, 0, 1, 2, 3. So basically from a test case you can see that 3, 1, 4, 2. So in this chessboard, the third row we have put one queen, then on first 3, then 1, then 4, 2, 3, then 1, then 4, then 2. So this is the configuration, one of the configuration by which we can place all the queens, all the n queens in n cross n chessboard so that no two queens have attacked each other. So let's see. So we have to move column wise, as we have seen in the test case. It has returned the answer column wise, so we are moving in column wise. So we are starting from this column. So what we will do is we will place our queen from 0th index on 0th index. Like on every column we will run a for loop for all the rows that check whether this row or column index is safe or not. Okay, we are starting, so let's assume that it is safe because there is no queens we have placed previous to this so that it will be attacked. So okay, we have placed in this queen. Now we will cut all the options that we cannot further put this, and now this. So this is the 3 direction. By the way, here is the all directions I have mentioned, like queen can move. But since this is the starting column, so we don't have to worry about previous column. So now let's we'll be moving to column this. Now we'll start our row again from 0 to 1. So this is not the safe place because it will be attacked by queen. This is also not the safe place, attacked by queen. Now we can put our queen to this and remove all the unsafe positions, like queen can attack to this, queen can attack to this, queen can attack to this. Why we are not moving, like we are not checking for upward, left upward, right upward? Why? Because we are already checking and have placed all the queens before this, so there is no need to check. We only need to check the further moves. Okay. Yes, so this cannot be attacked, but I'll be explaining is safe function. On that we have to check that whether this queen place is safe or not. So I'll be explaining that also. So now moving to this index, this column index 2. So we cannot place this queen to this, we cannot place this queen to this place, we cannot place this queen. So now we can place this queen to this. Now after placing this queen, we cannot place here, we cannot place here. Now all we can do is moving to this index, column 3. Okay, so moving to column 3, we can see that we can place one queen to this, we can place one queen to this. So this is the safe place. Like placing queen here, no one can cross it. Placing queen here, no one can cross it. Now placing, okay, I have put one queen wrong way, like this, because queen can cut this queen if we place this. So what we will do, we will backtrack it. Like we will do this, we will do this, we will do this, and we will do this. Like place, we have after placing queen to one column 1 on second index, so we cannot place our queen further because this cannot be put and this also cannot be put. So in this column there is no safe place, so we have to move backward and backtrack. So we have explored this way, and this is the queen. Now after moving to this queen, is this the safe place? Yes, this is the safe place because no queen can be like countered by previous queens. So this is the safe place. Now we can put, now we can check that, is this the safe place we can put our queen? No. Is this the safe? No. Is this safe? Yes. So we can put the, no, this is also not the safe place. Why? Because this queen can cut this queen can cut this queen can cut this. So there is no safe place we can put in third column. So we will again backtrack. Okay, so we can backtrack, like there is no possible place to put our queen here. So we will again backtrack. We will come to first index. Now, okay, this is also the place where I have put our queen and check that whether I can put all the queens further. So no, there is not a possibility after putting our queens to this because in this column we are facing issue. Like in this column, third column, previously we are facing issue in this column, now we are facing issue in third column. So we will again backtrack, like I have checked all possible solutions. So this is the root cause of the problem. Why? Because this is not the right place to put our queen. So we will remove our queen from this. Okay, like removing this, removing this, removing this. Now we will again place our queen to this first index of the row. Now queen can attack this, queen can attack this, queen can attack this. Now let's see, let's move to first index where we can put. Now moving running a for loop in the row, this is unsafe, this is also unsafe, this is also unsafe. We can put our queen to this row. Now queen can attack these. Okay, so moving to this column where we can put our queen. Now we can place our queen to this index. Now we will check that this is unsafe, this is unsafe. Now moving to this column where we can place our queen. So this is unsafe, this is unsafe. We are running a for loop, by the way. This is unsafe. For every column we are running a for loop. This is also unsafe. Now we can place our queen to this index. So yes, then we will move our index to this 4. Now we have reached to the end, and finally we got a configuration that we can put Q here also, and here also. So let's see one of the configuration that we got: 2, 4, 1 and 3. So is this the same? 2, by the way, this is the zeroth index, but never mentioned. Like you can count it like taking it as one index, one base index. So this is 2, this is 4th, this is 1, and this is 3. So we have achieved this, one of the solution. So this is the way we are approaching this problem. So let's try run one more case to achieve this solution also. So we'll be removing this and this. Okay, let's say we have got our solution. Next we have to explore one more option. So we will remove this and come to this. Now we cannot put our queen here, we cannot put our queen here, we cannot put our queen here. Now what is the safe options? We have put it placed, what I'm saying, we have placed in 0th index. Now we'll move to first column. We will be placing here because this is the safe place. Now we cannot place here, we cannot place here, sorry, we cannot place here. So moving to this index, we will see that what is the safe place we can place. We cannot place here, we cannot place here, we cannot place here, we can place here. So we will place our queen to this. Now we will be removing all the further possible options where this queen can counter. So we have removed this. Now we will come to third index, like what is the safest place we can place our queen to in column 1, what is the row. So this is not safe, we can place our queen here. This is not safe, this is not safe. So again we have covered this test case, like this configuration, 3, 1, 4 and 2. You can see that 3, 1, 4, 2. So this is how it is working. Like if this place is also unsafe, so we will remove all this, and we will get back to this column. That is there any other options we can place our queen other than this? Because this placing my queen to this index will make unsafe for all the queens further. So no, we have explored all the options. So we will again backtrack, again removing this and this. and move to this column. So okay, by placing our queen to this, it's making unsafe, so we will remove this. Is there any other options? No, this is also unsafe, this is also unsafe, this is also unsafe, so we will again backtrack. Okay, so placing queen to this second index of the row make all the queens unsafe, so we will see is there any other options. Yes, we can place our queen this to this, and we will be further exploring the options. So this is how the code is working. And now let's move to the solution. So let's see what I have done here is, this is the standard approach of solving the n-queen problem, by the way. So I have initialized an answer vector. What answer vector is doing? Like this way. We have got a configuration of 2413 and 3142. 3142. So this is the vector, this is also the vector, and this is the answer vector which is storing vector of int. So I have initialized answer. Okay, I have initialized the array of dot, like initially all this is containing dot dot dot, because to check whether any places contains q or not. Now we have called a solve function, and after this we are sorting the array. Why? Because here it is written that where the solutions are in the permutation of this in increasing order. Why increasing order? So let's say we have achieved this first, then this first, and then this. So our answer will become 3142, column will be put first, then it will be second. So it just told us to sort the answer so that 2 becomes first and 3 becomes second. So we have sort array.begin array.end. So let's see now what solve function is doing. So solve function. Now this is the base case. Let's see the base case at the end. So if we have passed, by the way, here we have passed 0th column, array, answer, and what is the size of the checkboard, chessboard, sorry. So this is the column from where we are starting. So for each column we are iterating through the all rows. Like for each column we are iterating through all rows. From 0th column we are iterating all rows, first column iterating all rows, second column iterating all rows. So we have iterated all the rows. Now we are checking that if safe means column is fixed 1, and we will check 0th row is 0th row and 1 column is safe. Then we will check first row and first column is safe. Then we'll check second row and second column is first column is safe. So here we are checking that if it is safe, then place the queen. Array rc is equals to q, means we have placed the queen to this. Let's say we have placed the queen to this index. Now after placing it, we will move further, like c+1. We have moved our index to this second index. Now what we are doing, solving for this, again this recursive call will go, and after, if we got like any of the case in which it is not possible to place the queen, then we will backtrack. Then it will come here and backtrack, like okay, so you have placed the r comma c as q, you have placed in this index, so backtrack it, like remove the queen from this and again put the dot, this one dot, like there is no queen. So we will put, and again we will backtrack, like check that after putting this, again row column for loop will run, and check it will, we mark this and check that is there any place we can place our queen in that column so that it is safe. So we will be placing here, then we will be placing here. So this call is going. Now there comes a base case, like what we are doing in base case. In base case, after c greater than equal to n, so if column we are iterating c this, c coming to this, c coming to this. Now if c comes to this 4, then it means that we have placed our queen till this index. So we have got one configuration. So when we got one configuration, what I have made is I have initialized a temp vector and running the array, like double for loop, running all the array, iterating the 2D vector array and placing all the configurations, like all the possible configuration which we have got to our vector of temp. Like this is temp, this is also temp, and this is answer vector. Placing all the configuration, like one by one, I'll be iterating from this. Okay, I have got queen, so I'll be placing 2 here. This is how, like I am giving example, q here I have got, I have pushed 2. then I have got here q, then I have pushed again, then I have got here q, then I'll be pushing again. So just an example like how I am putting placing in the temp vector, and finally I have pushed temp vector into the answer vector. Like after pushing all the elements in the temp vector, I have placed it in the answer vector and finally return. Now let's move to is safe function, how it is checking that whether the given index is safe or not. Okay, let me give an example. Let's say I have placed one q in this side. Okay, so what are the directions I have to worry about? Because till then, if I am exploring here, to till then I haven't placed any queen to this side, to the right. So I don't need to check this, I don't need to check this, I don't need to check this. Now I am exploring it in the vertical direction, so I don't need to worry about this because I'm already checking that in one row I'm placing only one q, so there is no need to check this. Now we have to worry about this direction, and this direction. So first check this direction, like straight left. Now for the straight left, what we have done is y, we are moving the y index, like we have initialized x is equals to r, y is equals to c. While y is not equal to 0, we are decreasing the y and checking like y, this is this, like we are moving y, this one. While y is not equal to 0, check that whether there is any queen placed here. So if there is queen placed here, then we cannot put our queen to this place. Okay, then we have checked this direction, then we have checked this direction. So for this direction, what we are doing is we are doing x minus minus comma y minus minus. Why? Because x is moving to upward direction from 1 to 0, means minus minus, and y is moving from this to this to this, so y minus minus. So that's why we have done. Now for coming to this direction, what we are doing, x is moving to this direction, means x plus plus, and y is moving to this direction. From here it is coming here. Okay, sorry. Okay, so we are moving y minus minus. So for this direction we are doing x plus plus and y minus minus, and for this we are doing x minus minus comma y minus minus. Okay, so same I have done. For the straight movement, I have only done like y minus minus. For left upward, I have done x minus minus y minus minus. For left downward, I have done x plus plus y minus minus. And if any of the place I got that there is the queen placed in the left upward, straight left, and left downward, then I return false, that this place is not safe. Otherwise I'll be returning true, like this place is safe. Like in this case where it is, this place is safe and you can place our queen. If this if condition gets true, then we have placed our queen in this index r comma c, and we have explored further options. So this is the like approach of this problem, this is the solution of this problem, and I hope I have explained each and every step, and now it will be like easy for you to like write all the code. So thank you for watching my solutions, and again that is it for the day. Thank you.